volcano just erupted!
But why does that happen? How does a mountain spit out fire? Today on Chotu Einstein, we find out.
Today on Chotu Einstein Pull, we find out. Today's topic, puffed. Whoa, Volcanoes.
Okay, friends, what even is a volcano? Think of the Earth like a boiled egg. The shell is the crust. That's where we live. Inside is super hot melted rock called magma. Is so hot it glows orange, like liquid fire underground. When too much magma builds up underground, it needs to escape. And it bursts out of the volcano as lava. You know when you shake a soda bottle and open it? Whoosh! It explodes everywhere. The magma gets squeezed by giant rocky plates called tectonic plates.
When they push together,
Kaboom! The magma blasts right through as lava. Lava can be as hot as 1,200 degrees, 12 times hotter than your oven at home. There are over 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth, and 80% are under the ocean. Fact 2, the biggest volcano is on Mars, Olympus Mons. Volcanic ash is so light it can travel around the entire world in the wind.
Want to make your own volcano? You need a plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar. Step 1. Put 2 spoons of baking soda in the bottle. Step 2. Add red food color drops. Step 3. Pour in the vinegar and stand back. Watch your volcano erupt.
So now you know, volcanoes erupt because of pressure from magma deep inside the Earth. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell next week. Amazing animals!
See you Sunday. Bye-bye from Chotu Einstein.